Hello and welcome to Cambridge Car Audio. This is a VWT5 that we've been working on, so we'd like to just show you the installation that we've carried out on this particular car. So what we've installed here is a Kenwood 7017 DAB-S, which is a aftermarket radio which basically gives you functionality for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, digital radio, obviously Bluetooth streaming as well. It's a really easy to use system. We do a lot of customers go for this unit. Really first of all, easy to use. Second of all, gives everyone the features that they really want to. So instead of what most people normally do is route a USB into the glove box, we've actually used an extension and linked it up here so it can be used with the phone holder. So that can be extended too, so we can place that sort of wherever you like, because obviously every installation is customizable. You've got a glass mount digital radio aerial there. In the front doors, obviously you can't see anything because obviously they're all hidden away in the existing grills. So we've got the Audison APK 165 component speakers from Audison. Absolutely stunning system, work really well, powered off an aftermarket radio, really efficient speakers. And then just to give it a bit more bass, what we've added in is underneath this, underneath the seat here, we've got a, you can't see it really, but underneath here is a Rainbow IntelliTen sub, and then the controller we've actually mounted on the footwell there, so you can increase and decrease the sub level from there. Obviously with these aftermarket radios we have been able to retain the factory controls on the steering wheel for your volume and your seat functionality. So really overall a very nice system, does the trick, not too much money as well. So it's quite a common upgrade that we do. So the Audison upgrade in the doors, aftermarket radio giving you more functionality, and then the underseat sub as well. So obviously you can't see anything. It looks really discreet. So this was the old radio here. So that was the old unit, and then these are the speakers and these are the tweeters that were in the door. So as you can see, these are the tweeters. So as you see, quite poor quality, and then in the door again, so that's what we've replaced there. So everything that's gone out of the car gets returned to each customer, and that's everything. So overall quite a smart looking van. That's really nicely discreetly hidden away underneath there, and you still got a little bit of room for storage as well. Just overall perfect installation for one of our classic vehicles that we have in a lot. So this was installed by Matthew Deering, who's one of our technicians here at Cambridge Car Audio, and that's our little plaque. So we're so proud of our work that we actually put our name tag on it. We put our name, and each installer has their own name tag, and that goes onto the vehicle. So the vehicle has also been washed and hoovered like every single installation that leaves our premises. So overall really cool looking vehicle, now with an audio system to match. Take a look at our T5 page that we've got listed up on our website for more details. So thank you very much. Just search up cambridgecar.audio and I'll put all the links below. Thank you very much.